How to get in touch with AliExpress Customer Service. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick and easy way to contact and get in touch with the AliExpress Customer Service. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up the application. And once you open up the app, you just have to find the account section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and then you'll find the Help Center at the bottom. Simply tap on the Help Center icon right here. And once you head over to Help Center, you are going to have to find an option to contact the customer support representative. So scroll down here. You have two options. So you can either get an online chat service, or you could just call their hotline service. So if you tap on hotline service, it will show you all of the possible numbers that you can call. So as of now, hotlines is out of business hours, so you just have to make sure that the hotline service is available from 9 to 6 p.m. So you just need to make sure that you call them at that time. Now all you have to do is tap on Chat with Agent Now at the bottom, and then it will start a chat with a representative. So you could just go ahead and ask your questions to this, and you should be getting your help and support that you need. That's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically get in touch with your AliExpress customer service. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.